Have a nice day, everyone. This time we're going to present the muscular system of the human anatomy. But before that, want you to know what is muscular system. Excuse me. Muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscle. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture, and circulates blood throughout the body. The muscular system and vertebrates are controlled through the nervous system, although some muscles can be completely autonomous. That's the meaning of muscular system. And there are three types of muscle. Look at the picture here. This is the three types of our muscles. The three type of muscular system. The first is the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles are the only muscles that can be consciously controlled. They are attached to bones, and contracting the muscle causes movement of the bones. Any actions that a person consciously undertakes involves the use of skeletal muscles. For example, running, chewing, and writing. That's the skeletal muscle. Ibig sabihin ito yung nagsisilbing paraan para makatakbo tayo, makalakad tayo, makanguya tayo ng ating pagkain at makapagsulat tayo ng mga sinusulat natin. Dahil sa skeletal muscle, nagagawa natin yung mga bagay na yun. The next is the smooth muscle. Smooth muscle lines the inside of blood vessels and organs such as the stomach and is also known as visceral muscle. It is the weakest type of muscle but has an essential role in moving food along the digestive tract and maintaining blood circulation through the blood vessels. Smooth muscle acts involuntarily and cannot be consciously controlled. Okay, that's the smooth muscle. The next is cardiac muscle. It is located only in the heart. From the word cardiac, cardiovascular, something like that. Cardiac muscle pumps blood around the body. Cardiac muscle stimulates its own contraction that's from our heartbeat. Signals from the nervous system control the rate of contraction. This type of muscle is strong and acts involuntarily also. Same with the smooth muscle. There are 11 main functions of the muscular system. The first is for the mobility. Mobility is paggalaw. The muscular system main function is to allow movement. When muscles contract, they contribute to gross and fine movement. Gross movement refers to large coordinated motions and includes walking, running, and swimming. That's the mobility. The second is the stability or pagiging matatag ng ating mga katawan. Dahil sa stability, dahil sa mga muscle, naging matatag tayo. Stability refers to muscle tendons stretch over joints and contribute to joint stability. Muscle tendons in the knee joint and the shoulder joint are crucial in stabilization. The core muscle are those in the abdomen, back, and pelvis, and they also stabilize the body and assist in tasks such as lifting weights. Ito yung ginamit ng ating nilaban sa weightlifting na sino yun? Basta yun, siya yung lumaban. The next is for the posture, yung ating tindig. Skeletal muscle helps keep the body in the correct position. When someone is sitting or standing, this is known as posture. Good posture relies on strong, flexible muscles. Stiff, weak, or tight muscle contribute to poor posture and misalignment of the body. Long-term bad posture leads to joint and muscle pain in the shoulders, back, neck, and elsewhere. Ibig sabihin kung sakali man yung ating mga muscles ay hindi nagtugma o hindi nag-align sa bawat isa, maaaring magkaroon ito ng masamang epekto. Yung pangmatagalang bad posture ay naghahatid sa masakit na balikat, likod, leeg, at kung saan pang bahagi ng ating katawan. Circulation, daloy ng dugo. The heart is a muscle that pumps blood throughout the body. The movement of the heart is outside of conscious control, and it's contract automatically when stimulated by electrical signals. Smooth muscle in the arteries and veins plays a further role in the circulation of blood around the body. These muscles maintain blood pressure and circulation in the event of blood loss or dehydration. They expand to increase blood flow during times of intense exercise when the body requires more oxygen. Imagine, kapag yung muscle natin for circulation is, kapag kailangan ng dugo natin ng space para makapagdaloy ng maayos, nagko-contract sila o umuunat para naman magkaroon ng maayos na daloy ng dugo at oxygen. The fifth one is the respiration o paghinga. Breathing involves the use of the diaphragm muscle. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs. When the diaphragm contracts, it pushes downward, causing the chest cavity to get bigger. The lungs then fill with air. When the diaphragm muscle relaxes, it pushes out of lungs, and someone wants to breathe more deeply. It requires help from the other muscle, including those in the abdomen, back, and neck. Pag huminga tayo, di ba napapansin nyo yung natin, yung mga diaphragm natin is nagko-contract din talaga siya. Downward, tapos upward, tapos lumalaki, lumiliit. Yun yung ng respiration ng muscle natin. Sixth is the digestion. The muscular system allows the movement within the body, for example, during digestion or urination. Smooth muscles in the gastrointestinal or GI tract control digestion. The gastrointestinal tract stretches from the mouth to the anus. Food moves through the digestive system with a wave-like motion called peristalsis. It is important to remember the word peristalsis. That's the wave-like motion. Muscles in the walls of the hollow organs contract and relax to cause this movement. Excuse me. Which pushes food through the esophagus into the stomach. The upper muscle in the stomach relaxes to allow food to enter, while the lower muscle mixes food particles with stomach acids and enzymes. The digested food moves from the stomach to the intestine by peristalsis. From here, more muscles contract to pass through food out of the body as stool. That's for the digestion. Next is for the urination. The urinary system comprises both smooth and skeletal muscle, including those in the bladder, kidneys, penis or vagina, prostate, ureters, urethra. The muscles and nerves must work together to hold and release urine from the bladder. Smooth muscle in the uterus expand and contract during childbirth. Yun, kapag nanganganak yung ating mga magulang, yung mga mama natin, mga nanay natin, kapag nanganganak, or kapag dumudumi tayo, may mga muscle talagang kumukontract or nag-expand para maging successful yung mga bagay na yun at excuse me mga bagay na yon. Also, the pelvic floor muscles helps to guide the baby's head down the birth canal. Yun, para kapag nanganganak yung nanay natin, tumutulong yung floor muscle para naman ma-deliver ng maayos yung baby or yung mauna yung ulo ng bata. That's for urination. Number 8 is childbirth. Smooth muscle in the uterus expand and contract during childbirth. This movement push the baby through the vagina. Also, the pelvic floor muscle help to guide the baby. Number 8 na pala yan. Number 9. Sorry, number 8 na pala yun yung kanina. Number 9 na tayo. Yung number 7 is for the urination. At saka yung number 8 naman is for childbirth. Number 9, vision. 6 skeletal muscles around the eye control its movements. These muscles work quickly and precisely and allow the eye to maintain the stable image, scan the surrounding area, track moving objects. If someone experiences damage to their eye muscle, it can maaaring maapektuhan yung paningin nila. Number 10 is the organ protection. Muscles in the torso protect the internal organs at the front, sides, and back of the body. The bones of the spine and the ribs provide further protection. Muscles also protect the bones and organs by absorbing shock and reducing friction in the joints. That's for the organ protection. It helps our organ para naman makaiwas sa anumang uri ng injury. Isa rin yan sa mga function ng muscle. Kaya napakahalaga talaga ng muscle. Number 11 is the temperature regulation. Maintaining normal body temperature is an important function of the muscular system. Almost 85% of the heat a person generates in their body comes from contracting muscle. True. Diba kaya sa tuwing nag-exercise tayo, pinagpapawisan tayo, umiinit yung katawan natin, napapagod tayo, that's because nagko-contract yung mga muscle natin, which is tumutulong para naman ma-regulate or ma-maintain yung normal temperature nating mga tao. When body heat falls below optimal levels, the skeletal muscles increase their activity to make heat. Shivering is one example of this mechanism. Muscle in the blood vessel also contract to maintain body heat. Body temperature can be brought back with normal range through the relaxation of smooth muscle in the blood vessels. This action increases blood flow and releases excess heat through the skin. Okay, let's proceed for the 5 fun facts about muscular system. You know that the muscle makes up approximately 40% of total weight? Really? Second, the heart is the hardest working muscle in the body. It pumps 5 quarts of blood per minute and 2,000 gallons daily. Sabihin, sobrang dami talaga. Number 3, the gluteus maximus is the body's largest muscle. It is in the buttocks and helps human maintain an upright posture. Kaya nakatayo tayo, di ba? Number 4, the ear contains the smallest muscle in the body alongside the smallest bone. This muscle hold the inner ear together and are connected to the eardrum. Sa ear, doon makita yung smallest muscle ng ating katawan. Number 5, a muscle called the masseter in the jaw is the strongest muscle by weight. Allows the teeth to close with a force of up to 55 pounds in the incisors or 30 pounds on the molars. Sabihin yung sa panga natin. Muscle. Thank you for listening. God bless.